I would like to talk about a question that I've heard many times as an acting coach. Why bother auditioning when I don't hear anything? In this video, I will provide you with some answers to this question that will hopefully take some weight off your mind about this common problem and encourage you to keep auditioning. So you just got an audition from your agent for a TV show that you've always wanted to be a part of, with a role that's absolutely perfect for you. You work your ass off on the audition, you make a genius self-tape. This time, you're convinced that your agent is going to call you up within hours and inform you that you got the part. Again, you hear nothing. It's understandable to sometimes be deeply frustrated with the process of auditioning. However, it is sometimes extremely helpful to remind ourselves about the things that we cannot see about auditioning. Number one, auditioning is a process. It's important in terms of your auditioning to play the long game. The long game means reminding yourself that auditioning is a process. You go one step at a time. Each time you get an opportunity to audition, you are going to be seen by a casting director for a role that you may or may not get, but it's important to remember this casting director is going to see your work. They're going to see your artistry. They might love what you did. They might become a huge fan of you. You're not going to know this, but if you do your best work and you feel good about what you bring as an artist, what you bring to the table, most likely the casting director will take notice and call you back for the next project. If you see that the same casting office has called you back for something down the line, it might be a couple of months, it might be a year later, you can guarantee that that casting director is calling you back because they remember you from your previous audition. Auditioning is about building relationships. The process of auditioning is not about booking the part. It's not about I need to hear something back. It's about building relationships, building trust with the casting directors, and building a fan base. The thing that you can control about your auditioning process is doing your work. Number two, do it for you. Of course, we want to impress the casting director. We want to blow them away. We want everybody to think that we're doing great work. But we cannot get caught in the need to please. If you're trying to please, it immediately makes you powerless. The way to be in your power when you're auditioning is to do it for yourself. Do your work and enjoy the fact that you're sharing your work with others and you're being seen. That's what you can control. Doing it for yourself will automatically make your auditions better. Number three, keep your artistic well full. Don't allow your auditions to be the only time that you work as an actor. Keep your artistic well full. Always be working on something. Even if it's practicing at home regularly, even if it's going to class, even if it's getting together with friends and colleagues and working on things, reading a play every weekend out loud with a group of friends and ordering some pizzas is a healthy way of being a busy, active actor. The busier you are with your work, the more you're consistently working on your craft, building a character in the enjoyment of acting as much as you possibly can on a daily basis, the more fun you're going to have when you get an audition. Each audition is another building block. Even if you don't hear anything back, it's really mostly about how do you feel inside? How do you feel about the work that you're doing? How do you feel about your process as an actor? Are you experiencing the joy of being an actor when you do an audition? Do you feel that you're bringing your artist into the audition with you? Are you enjoying the process of building relationships? In each and every audition, you're building another relationship. You're meeting another casting director. You're letting people in the industry know that you exist. Yes, it's frustrating sometimes, but it's imperative to keep going, because you never know when your part is going to show up. It could be the next time that you audition. It could be the next 10. It could be the next 50. Don't give up. Keep going, and remember to play the long game. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Click on the description below for links to our website as well as our free weekly newsletter. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.